Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am headed to CVS. I know, right? For another video. And I was just like, should I do another video or not? But I feel like there's really still some awesome deals that I could share with you guys. There really is. Like, this is a really fire week, even more so than I thought it would be. And I just love when that happens, when you kind of anticipate a slow week and low-key be like, knowing that you're going to appreciate the break, but at the same time, the week just surprises you. It's like, boom, it's just jumping out at you, like, you know, and here's some awesome deals. And so I'm super stoked about that. I ordered some IPs, some PNG ones from an IP Fairy. I'll list her handle right here on IG. Now, you can print these from PNG Good Every Day. You can print one per account, and it's only good for 24 hours. So that's the only thing that sucks about the PNG printables, is they're only good for 24 hours. But I know a lot of stores do still take expired coupons at CVS, and so never been a problem for me, at least. If you're new here, yes, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the hell out of the like button and support your girl. And don't forget to ring that little notification bell so you never miss out on a video. I'm going to try to make this video as quick as I can because I kind of want to get it up and be done with it. But my goal today, y'all, is to run some deals across the board. My goal is to reburn, all right, as much as I can. Other than that, you guys, because we know you already subscribed if you're not, and we know you already liked if you didn't yet. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get to the store and get these awesome deals. So keep on watching.
All right, guys. So we're over here. I'm going to do this Crest deal. Listen, I have a 6 off of 30 CRT off Crest and Oral-B. I ordered some IPs from my IP Fairy, which I'll pop her up. The person I got these from, you can go to PNG. I think it's PNG Good Every Day, and you can print there, but you can only print one per account. So I went ahead and just ordered some. I ordered a set of 6 for $1, and I went ahead and ordered some for toothpaste, toothbrushes, and mouthwash as well. All right, so let me run you through this deal. So we're gonna start off with the Crest toothpaste. It's on the 3D white. They are priced at $4.99, and it's buy 2 get back 3. All right, so for this, I'm gonna be using the $2 coupon right here. I'll be using 2 of those, and then the next thing I'm gonna grab, I got this from Couponing with Sal. I was watching her video yesterday, and she grabbed these down here, the 4-pack of the Oral-B for $5.29, and this one also works for the buy 1 get back 3. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these at $5.29, and then for that I'll be using this $2 coupon right here. Now there is a digital for Oral-B, but it hasn't been working for anyone. And now that I think about it, there's also a $2 digital on the Crest toothpaste as well that you can use if you don't if you only want to print one coupon and then use the digital for the other one. And then the last thing I'm going to grab on this transaction is going to be on the Crest Pro Health mouthwash. It is $4.99, and it's buy 1 get back 2 with a limit of 2. So I'm going to grab 2 of these, and for that we do have a digital for $1. And I'm going to be using the $1 printable right there. So I may use 1 digital and 1 printable just to, you know, stretch my coupon, since they only sell these in sets of 6. So I ordered a set of each of them. And so let me show you what this transaction is going to look like. This is what this transaction is going to look like. Again, I do have that 6 off of 30. Again, there is a $1 digital on the mouthwash. There's a 1 on the toothpaste as well, which is right there. And then there's 1 for the toothbrush, but that one hasn't been working for anyone. So we're going to use that 6 off of 30. Again, we'll be using 2 of the $2 coupons off the toothpaste. We'll be using 2 of these $2 coupons off of the toothbrush. And we'll be using 2 of the coupons, the $1 coupons on the mouthwash. After all of our coupons, it'll come down to $14.54 out of pocket, but we'll get back 13 in extra care bucks, which will net it at $154, are only 25 cents each. Now, again, I was watching Couponing with Saul last night, and she was saying that she actually did get credit for these two on Ibotta. The rebate on there is for $2 back. So if I get back that extra $4, it'll make all of this free plus a $2.46 moneymaker. So my next deal is gonna be on Covergirl. I was skipping out on this deal earlier this week, because I really wanted the pencils or the cheapest ones. At the same time, I don't have any more coupons for that. So, but I figured it's still a moneymaker to grab the face products. And so this week it is buy 3 get back 10, which is probably the highest that we've ever gotten back on Covergirl. And so I figured, why not run this deal across the board? And the cheapest face product I see are priced at $7.49. So we're gonna grab 3 of those. That total is going to come to $22.47. Now we all did get a 4 off of 1 Covergirl CRT. And I plan to stack that with the $3 insert coupon right here, which will bring that total down to $9.47 for 3 of them, and getting back the 10, making this a 53-cent moneymaker. Right, the next thing I'm gonna grab on this transaction is gonna be on the check razors. I did this earlier this week. It has been 25, get back 10, number 1. They don't have any more of the bamboo ones, which are the ones I did get earlier this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of the extreme, price at $9.49. That total is gonna come to $28.47. And then I'll be using the 5 off 25 CRT right there. I'll stack it with the 4 off of 1 digital. And then I have 1 printable as well. Well, I'll use 2 of the printables as well for this deal. So you'll end up paying $11.47, getting back the 10, which will make it $147 for all 3, are only 49 cents each. So this deal, or this transaction, it worked out okay. The only issue was that the printable for the toothbrushes didn't scan for me, even though they were scanned right after the products, because I kept thinking, well, maybe the P&G coupons are attaching to the wrong product. That wasn't the case. It just didn't go through for me. And so I went ahead and grabbed them anyways, because I figured I still got the 6 off 30. I should still get back the $4 on Ibotta, so it'll still make it a pretty decent deal anyways. And so rather than my total being $35.47, it was $39.47, so $4 extra. But I did get back the $4 on Ibotta, so it still ended up being a pretty, decent deal. And so there goes the mouthwash at the very top. There goes the toothpaste, the Oral-B's, the Covergirl, the razors. There goes the 4 digital off of the razor. There goes the 2 off of the toothpaste, 1 off of the mouthwash, 6 off 30, 5 off 25, $4 off the Covergirl. And then I roll $39 in extra care box. Subtotal was 44 cents. And then I got back 6, 4, 3, and 2 10. So I got back a total of $37. So it nets this transaction at $2.47, which is definitely not a bad deal. So this next deal, I'm gonna grab. It's on the Grove Co. I grabbed this like a few weeks ago. My store finally restocked on it, and so we're gonna grab it. Now the not hand soap, but dish soap is priced at $5.79. For this, I'm gonna grab 2 of them. That total is gonna come to $11.58. Now we do have a $9 back when you buy 2 on Swagbucks. It's also on My Points Inbox and Tada as well, whichever one you want to use. And then we also have $1.25 for each one back on Checkout 51, so it'll make it only 4 cents each. Now the limit on Checkout 51 is a limit of 5, and the limit on Swagbucks, I believe, is a limit of 2. Let me see, 2 per month. Yeah, right there. So you can grab 4 on 1 transaction, which is what I'm gonna do. Now last time I did this deal, it did have to go into review, but it was approved. I'm just gonna burn down some of these extra care bucks and kind of basically convert that to cash. And so yeah, really quick with this deal, you can grab these and use a % off, which will make it a little lower. But you guys, I don't want to spend cash. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm not trying to spend cash. I want to use extra care bucks, because even though I'd be saving like $3 or $4, I'd rather use that in extra care bucks than pay the whole thing in cash. Yeah, because I'm not trying to spend my cash getting back extra care books. I can't do shit with nowhere else but CVS. So yeah, let's go check out. Well, there goes the Grove Call right there. I bought 4 of them. I actually reburned 12 for this, so technically I only paid 11. 15 was our subtotal, and then nothing back. I wrote 12, and I submitted it on Swagbucks, which of course it went into review. So when this happens, you want to click review, and then you want to click request review, and you're gonna pick the one that you want. Okay, so now it's going into menu review. All right, and then I already submitted it on Checkout 51, so I'm gonna make them like 3-4 cents each. I did a Covergirl, and I actually realized I had a 3 off of 10 cosmetic CRT, and so I used that with the 4 off of 1 CRT, and then the 3 manufacturer coupons, and ended up paying for this transaction was $6.47, and I got back the 10 down there, so it actually made this one a $3.53 moneymaker. All right, guys, so here is my haul for you guys. This looks so amazing. I feel like I had a pan way back. But this worked out really good, you guys. Again, I had 3 off of 10 cosmetic CRT on 2 of my cards, so that made the Covergirl deal even sweeter, even though I didn't have the coupons for the cheaper ones. But if you have those coupons for those cheaper ones, OMG. I did Huggies and pull-ups. I don't have anything on my fetch, but I figured grabbing those for $3.50 each, I sell those on OfferUp. I can easily make a nice little profit from them anyways. So I went ahead and did that deal. For this haul, everything again worked out really good. Only thing is the coupons for the Oral-B did not scan. And it may actually exclude the Healthy Clean now that I think about it. And so that was the only situation as far as this. This is all today. I went to 4 different stores and we made it happen. So everything that you see here retails $303.90. I had $116.99 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $186.91. Now, what we got back, we got back a boatload. We got back $118 in extra care bucks, $4 on Ibotta, $18 on Swagbucks, $5 on Checkout 51. Bringing that total to $145. So it nets everything you see here at $41.91.
Listen. I know that's high, but we did the reburn, okay? I reburned
$122 in extra care bucks. So, and as the census says, this is like an $80.09 moneymaker with the reburn. And so if you don't know, all right, so everything here worked out really good. If you got this far in the video, what do I want to see? Ooh, let's see some sunshine. Let's see some suns in the comments. I'm going to do another giveaway because I'm super stoked. I'm going to do another giveaway. We're going to do another $10 CVS gift card. I'll do 2, okay? So 2 winners. All I want you to do in the comments is I just want to see a sun. That's it. A sun emoji. And I need you to like this video, of course. Share it if you would like. That would be awesome. And definitely be subscribed. But of course, you guys are already subscribed. Other than that, I will announce the winners for that giveaway in my CVS video on Sunday. All right, so I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day. Whenever you're watching, friend. I'll see you next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.